How to fix your Google search results. So if you're searching something on your Google and if you're facing a problem with Google search, then what you can do is first open up your settings and scroll down and tap on apps, and you can go for see all apps. Scroll down and you can go for Google and tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. And once you cleared your cache, now you can go back and you can remove that, and now you can open up your Google. Once you open your Google, now you can go for the upper right, which has your profile icon. Tap on your profile and here you will have search history. Tap on search history and then you can simply tap on delete, and you can choose delete today or delete the custom range or delete all time. So I'll be choosing delete today. And here you need to tap on got it, which is on the bottom right. And that's it, your history has been deleted. Or you can also tap on delete and then tap on delete all time, and you can delete that. But it may include your image search and all of your searches on Google. And if you don't want to delete it, then simply untap on the image search, or you can also tap on that and then tap on select all, because it won't affect your downloads or anything. It will only delete your history. So you can simply select that all and then tap on next, which is on the bottom right, and you can tap on delete again, and got it. And once you've deleted all of your history, now you can simply go for the search and then you can search again and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Google search results. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.